Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to fix a GTA 5 enhanced sound problem. This tutorial is going to be quick and simple method. So let's get started. First of all, we have to search the setting option. Here is our setting option. Then we go to the system properties. Then sound properties. Click this. Now I am scrolling the sound properties, and here is the more sound settings. Here is speakers. I have a speakers, and if you have a headphone, so you can select the headphone. Now I have a speaker that I am selecting my speaker, and go to the properties, and here is enhancement sound. So click the enhancement sound, and here is disable all enhancement. So check out the disable all enhancement sound and go to the advanced settings. Here is the 16-bit for 8000 Hz DVD quality. Here is another. So my speaker sound is 16-bit 48,000 Hz is good quality. Let's check it. So now spiritual sound is off, so it's off, and apply and click the OK, and here is to click the OK. That's it. And enhancement the sound and go to the GTA 5 to fix the problem. Solve.